Are appliance maintenance plans worth the money? It depends on your situation. Let me break down when they make sense and when they don't. What a maintenance plan typically includes: scheduled visits to clean, inspect, and tune up your major appliances. Refrigerator coil cleaning. Dryer vent inspection. Washer hose check. Dishwasher filter cleaning. Basic diagnostics to catch problems early. Our plans start at $25 per month and cover all major appliances in your home. That's $300 a year. When it's worth it, if you own multiple appliances over 5 years old. If you have pets, since pet hair clogs coils and vents faster. If you're not the type to remember to do maintenance yourself. If you'd rather pay a small monthly fee than face surprise repair bills. When it's not worth it, if all your appliances are under 3 years old and under manufacturer warranty. If you're diligent about doing the maintenance yourself. If you only have 1 or 2 appliances. The real value. Catching small problems before they become expensive ones. A tech notices a fraying belt during a maintenance visit and replaces it for $50. If that belt snaps during a full load of laundry, it can damage the drum, add $300 in secondary damage, and ruin your clothes. Think of it like changing the oil in your car. Skip it, and the engine fails early. Same concept. Maintenance plans starting at $25 per month. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.